Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off or disable autoplay on the YouTube app for iOS and Android devices. So this is basically for the mobile app of YouTube, and if you want to turn that off or disable autoplay, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the YouTube app and select the U icon in the bottom right. Select the gear icon now in the top right corner. On the left side, scroll down underneath Video and Audio Preferences and go and select the Playback button. On the right, where it says Autoplay Next Video, when autoplay is enabled, a suggested video will automatically play next. If you want to turn this off, toggle it to the left, so click inside the oval one time. It'll turn it off, and that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.